go to your Gmail app and tap on your name and click on add another account. Add another account, click on Google because you are using Google, you are putting a Gmail. So add the first name and second name, and first name and surname. Your surname is optional for the new Gmail account you want to create. I'm creating an account for my channel. Add your date of birth, the day, the month, and the year. Because you don't add year, with Jungo, you must add your year. So this is me adding my birth year. So after adding your information, you will be giving some suggestions, but you can create your own Gmail address. This is me adding my own Gmail address. Then you create a password. This is me typing in my password on my Gmail account. When you are done creating a password, click on next and the next, and you wait for it to load for some time. When it's done loading, your Gmail account is ready. So you click on next. When you click on next, you'll be asked to agree to the privacy terms, blah blah blah, and the terms and conditions. And when this is done, your Gmail account is ready. So you go back to your, if you go back to your Gmail app, you'll see the new account you created.